Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizes TV. I said this is Prizes TV, and we are here once more. We are here because there is a new development that is actually happening at Akwa Ibom, and this development is a good one. If you have been following my channel always talk about development, infrastructural development. That's what I mean. Contemporary architecture and modern buildings, good roads, and public places, also individual buildings. And today we have a very beautiful park known as Arise Palm Resort in Akwa Ibom State. Believe me, this state keeps surprising me. I have been seeing so many things that are happening in Akwa Ibom, and each one of them is very, very unique and special. When Akwa Ibom wants to make a step, their step is a strong one. And this one is one of those steps that I've ever seen. Look at what Akwa Ibom created. This is an artificial lake built in form of a swimming pool filled with water where tourists go and enjoy themselves. You can ride boats, eat at restaurants, including sleep there overnight, because it has a resort, which is what we are seeing here. Therefore, for people who like to go to holiday, here is one of the most beautiful places to go on holiday. This does not look like Nigeria at all. See number of buildings there. This is an estate of its own, and this place is very, very close to Uyo Government House. You can as well buy a house here and live here permanently, where you will be coming to the park to enjoy yourself. This is a mind-blowing achievement. Inside there, they have a restaurant that is suspended on the water. Wow, some people are really enjoying in this life, and this resort is very, very new. It has not been opened. You will see that not many people are there. Therefore, it is on the test. The people you are seeing here are officials like first ladies, visitors from federal government, so on and so forth. But it is not yet open for the public. But the work has completely finished. Everything you need here, both for you and your children, is actually here. After saying all these things, I began to say that Nigeria is changing very fastly. And Akwa Ibom is one of the states that is changing together with Nigeria. Remember, apart from this resort, which you are looking at, Akwa Ibom has done so many good things for Nigeria. And those things are what you are looking at here. What you are seeing is Akwa Ibom Stadium. This stadium is actually, or is currently, the stadium that Super Eagles is used for home matches. Meaning that every Super Eagles player come here at least twice a month or once a month. Because it's only in Akwa Ibom you can find a stadium that looks like this. Very beautiful. The way Akwa Ibom built their state is unimaginable. See, when this project started as well, I thought they were not going to finish it. It is known as Akwa Ibom Worship Center, the largest worship center in Nigeria. See how small cars look here. See how big it is. This does not look like anything done in Africa at all. To me, what we are looking at looks more foreign than Nigeria. But this place we are seeing is Akwa Ibom State. When these people make a statement, their statement is very loud. It's very, very loud. Another thing we should not forget is about Ibom Air. Ibom Air surprised everybody. Ibom Air today is one of the most reliable airline in Nigeria. Look at their airport, which has now begotten international recognition. From Akwa Ibom, you can fly to a different country. And they don't make noise. They don't even make noise. This is what good governance is all about. I praise their governor for all the good work they are doing in Akwa Ibom, especially the current governor, Governor Ume Basi Eno. That is beautiful. So let's go and watch, see everything that is happening in Akwa Ibom and view this resort, which is the reason we are here for. And then I tell you my feelings and what I feel about this resort and everything that has been happening in Burkina Faso. In in Akwa Ibom because they have BB. Akwa Ibom, because Akwa Ibom is actually one of the favorite places to go to holiday, especially with this resort. Somebody can actually go here and enjoy for here throughout the whole stay. This is very, very beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. And believe me, in a very, very short period, all these places will be filled with people. Nigeria actually needs something like this, where children can go and swim, where adults can go and enjoy in the restaurants. People will be swimming based on your capacity, because the swimming pool they have here, they are many. They have lower and also deeper. Let me check the all the levels of the swimming pools they have here. Okay, so this is how it is. If you check here, this is like an ocean. Therefore, if you know how to swim, you can go here. Here, pass through the under this bridge. But apart from here, there are other swimming pools. See them here? What you are seeing here is a swimming pool. What you are seeing by the left is also a swimming pool, but smaller sizes. What you are seeing here is also a swimming pool. Here. You can see the escalator. This escalator at the center is what people will use, descend and swim. After swimming, they come out. But if you are a professional, then you can test this one. You will swim, you will get tired. This is one of the biggest swimming pools I have ever seen. The biggest. I believe here is going to be for supermarket and where you can buy things and those things and so on and so forth. Then here is a restaurant which we have seen before, and a restaurant where you will be here and taking nice breeze while people are swimming and you are enjoying. Whoa, this is a very, very beautiful place. And by my left over there, this place is, because I can see swimming pool here. Here is not for supermarkets or whatever. This place is going for concert or disco clubs. If there is a club or concert or maybe wedding, somebody is doing wedding, he will choose one of these buildings and will do it over here. This is really marvelous. So where this place is a beach, you can see some seats at the beach, some seats, benches, and then here you can go and swim here and enjoy with this what do you call it, small swimming pool that is over the smaller. Now, at the back over here, there is another big swimming pool, but not as big as this one. And if you check, you can see it here. It's long, very big, like river, but nothing to compare to this. This one can carry canoe and it's very, very deep. And if we go to when they were constructing it, you will see that it is not advisable for you to enter the swimming pool if you don't know how to swim. If you don't know how to swim, you can see how deep the swimming pool is. Don't go here if you don't know how to swim. That is what it is. And the swimming pool is everywhere. It's everywhere at this place. Wow. This is really, really beautiful. So, if you check here, you will see one of the smallest swimming pool down here. This is the escalator to enter there, which I told you earlier. This is when it was on the construction. So the other swimming pool, which I told you about, is this one. This one is very, very shallow. This one is very, very shallow, but it's good for children and some visitors. It looks amazing. It has fence, good feed. At the back here is a residential area, or maybe this place is a control room where they have transformer or where the power is coming from. With it has a street light by the fence going around. We are going to show you how it looks at night, because at night it looks very, very nice when the whole light is turned on. They make sure that they have enough light covering the place. So this is the entrance at night, and we are still going to see the entrance during the day. So during the night, that is how you are going to see the entrance with enough light is there, so showing everything very, very, very brightly. So where is the entrance here? I could not go to get it because the entrance is at my back over here. So where is the entrance during the day? No, we could not get there. Okay, no problem. So let's continue seeing. This is how the place looks. And then we go here, the entrance which I talked about, with the photo of the governor himself, written Arise Palm Resort. Arise Palm Resort. It is a destination. I can't read what is there, but Arise, I could read a little bit because it is very, very blurry. So at night, it looks this way. Whoa. So people who are going to live here permanently, man, they are going to enjoy life. They are going to enjoy life because you are every day on holiday. See their street lights turned on. Remember, this place was purposely built for resorts. Okay, so you can go, you can stay in resort permanently if you like. No problem. All is your money. See the houses within the place. All these places were built by the state government. And why I love this is that the place is spacious. You go here, you stay for 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, and you feel at home because you stay as if you are living alone in your house, not living in a high block. No, a separate home, each house for one individual. And here they have some chairs and tables made with wood. If you want to rest, this is where you can rest and enjoy yourself. Okay, and here this place, which I said that is going to be supermarket for sure, supermarket or restaurant. And here is water in case of anything that maybe there is a fire somewhere. They can use that pipe to quench it. Okay, so what again do I have here? I have talked about this, talked about this one, which look very, very well, look very, very beautiful. And here is palm trees. Why is there too many palm trees here? And these palm trees, they are not by mistake, because they are planted with design, and that design, they follow the line. Look at how it is. It is palm trees that planted with line. But this palm tree, I don't think it is the type that give palm fruit, because it is too tiny. It is too tiny and make everywhere to look beautiful. What is here? Something else, baby. I think maybe this is the government house, which is being talked about. And over there, well, I could not recognize any place there, but I can know that there is something here because they wrote something here. Either BETS, I don't know whether you can see it over there. Okay. So we have come to see the Arise Palm Resort. Okay, the reason they call it palm is because of this palm tree. Aha! Now I found out. Arise Palm Resort. Yeah. Arise Palm Resort. Oh yeah, it has so many palm trees, and they build it very close to the palm trees, and then they use the name of the palm tree to give to the resort, and it is now called Arise Palm Resort, which is a very, very nice name. A very, very nice name. And what you are seeing is inside Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom, remember, is one of the neatest states in Nigeria. Apart from having this thing, it is one of the neatest places in Nigeria. So we are going to stop here, and you have seen what is happening in Nigeria. Believe me, the way the southern governors are competing within themselves is unimaginable. This one is building this one, the other one is building the other one, and I say, keep on. May you all continue. I will be bringing all these things that you people are developing on my channel. Everybody will be seeing it here because it is a very, very nice thing to see. We have been expecting something like this for a very, very long time. Now that we have them, we will be viewing them each day. Then you tell me who is doing better. It is not for me to tell you who is doing better. It is for you, who are my listeners, that could be seeing all these things and be telling me who is better. But based on what I'm seeing, Akwa Ibom is really on gear 5. And the vehicle it is carrying may pass Ferrari if care is not taken on express, because the way these people do their project is unimaginable. They don't come with small projects. No, they come with heavy projects. Heavy projects. And this one is not an exception. Many Nigerians have been complaining for places to go and enjoy, for beach. For it, they now have a resort with artificial beach built with swimming pool. You can swim anywhere. They have small swimming pool. They have big one. Big and small, I mean, is the deep. They have the deep swimming pool, and also the ones that are not all that deep, which are for the children, which is very, very good. So for people who like swimming, who like holiday, who like beach life, this place is going to be one of the best places for you to go and enjoy yourself. So I will stop here, and you have seen what Akwa Ibom State has developed. I never expected that a state in Nigeria will bring out its time and create all these things. And Akwa Ibom has been doing their best to make sure that people visit their state. And believe me, they are getting it right. They are getting it right. They got it right by building one of the best stadiums in the world. People thought they were making a mistake. Now everybody's clapping for them because the Super Eagles of Nigeria go here every day. The people thought they got it right, they got it wrong when they opened an airline. People criticized them. Now everybody's clapping for them. People are trooping in Akwa Ibom through their Ibom Air. That is a mind-blowing. Well, I am going to stop here because I've spent the time talking about what is happening in Akwa Ibom State, because I'm very, very happy seeing all these things happening around Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video. All these governors have started surprising us. we are now having governors that we are praising, who know their job, that their job is to bring development, and that development will then generate employment, and from employment our youth will be working. Then that is what good governance is all about. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Okay.